We got some raspberries and blackberries at ALDI, and we are gonna plant these in our garden, so stay tuned. Looks like our blackberry is blooming some flowers. Yeah, looks great. There's a little fly on there now. Ho ho ho! Check it out, check it out, check it out. Our beautiful raspberries. I think they might be pretty close to picking. Looks ready. So we're gonna probably pick it later and taste these. Raspberry time! Raspberry time. Here, just open this up. Ooh, raspberry fell out. Eat it. Try it out.
It's small.
See how it tastes.
Well, I'm gonna keep it for
You gonna keep it for Ellie? So we put the raspberry in these bags to protect it from the birds. Okay, there's a few raspberries in there. I'm gonna put it in the bag. Oh, here's one more.
It's not really ripe.
Actually, let me taste it. Mmm, that's pretty good.
There's another one.
Here. Wash it off. Eat. Try one.
She throw up or do some weird stuff.
Right? Raspberry. Let's see how it tastes. Mmm. Ooh, that's sweet. That's actually pretty sweet. You get raspberry. Try it out. See how it tastes. Good?
It's the sweetest raspberry I ever.
Okay, Ellie, raspberry time.
Ellie, raspberry. Oh, that is the sweetest raspberry I ever
Eat it.
had.
Over here, Ellie.
It tastes sour in the beginning, but then it tastes like super sweet.
Yummy? Yummy raspberry? Not yummy? Maybe that one's sour.
She doesn't like.
Oh yeah, she doesn't like raspberry, but it's sweet. It tastes good.
Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, here's some more suggestions. And as always, please like, subscribe, and press the bell for notifications. And I'll see you on the next Kim's Adventure.